Assalamu alaikum viewer. In this story I will tell you how you can change the paper pickup ruler of HP LaserJet 400 printer. So you can change both of the paper pickup ruler means upper and lower. So here it is very easy. Just at home you can change the paper pickup ruler, or also you can change the rubber of the paper pick of the ruler. So it's totally depend on you. You can change it at home or at office. No need to go to the bazaar or market to change the paper pickup ruler. So it is very easy. Just you have to buy new one from the market and you can change it at home. So how you can change it, let's check. This is a HP LaserJet Pro 400 printer, and let's see the problem, then how you can solve this problem. So we check it. First of all, I am turning off on. So it is in the initialization state. We have to wait it. So in the initialization state, please like the video and subscribe the channel, because we only upload the video related to the printer and scanner on this channel. So let's give the command and then we will see the problem. So it is in the ready state. Printing report demo page. Let's check. Printing demo. It will not pick the paper. So I have give the paper in the feeder, but no paper pickup. Press OK to continue. If your error is similar to this, then you must have to watch this video till the end. So this problem basically occurred due to the gear clutch or the paper, and the mostly time due to the paper pickup roller when it has been damaged or it has been rough. So maybe in some scenario it can be cut off. So it totally depends on the reasons behind it. So let's change the paper pickup roller on the bottom, then I will tell you on the upper side. So here you can see that you have to move up this printer. So here you can see that when the printer in the correct form, means in the straight way, then I will suggest that it will one side is left side and one is right side. So the bottom side in now in this state is, as you can see that the bottom side is left and the upper side is right, we consider it. So from here you have to click on. So here you have to press the paper pickup ruler with the finger, and you have to pull up this lock very carefully because it can be damaged. So you have to press the upper side of this ruler, then you have to try to move this lock from in inner side the printer, so it will be moved. So let's try and let's focus it. So let's try how you can open it. This lock can be opened from the left side. So it will move like a clockwise or anti-clockwise. So you have to move inner side of the printer, then the lock will be open by just pressing the up side of the finger, and then you can use the uh, I am using the my car key, and you can also use a screwdriver or any key or anything. Just you have to pull up this lock, then you have to move it. After moving it, it will not open. It will not pull out from the left side. It will pull out from the right side. So no need to, here you can see that it will not pull out from the left side. It will move out. You have to open from the left side, but it will pull out from the right side, opposite side. So let's pull out. Here you can see that it has been pulled out. So it is very easy, just you have to follow the few steps. So by this method you can you can change the paper pickup ruler. So you can buy new from the market, and you can change the paper pickup ruler. You can also change only rubber of this ruler, paper pickup ruler. It totally depends on you, but I recommend you must have to change the picking ruler. No need to only rubber. Sometimes it will difficult to buy from the market only rubber. So I will suggest you have to change just the paper pickup ruler. This is the bottom side of the paper pickup ruler. Similarly, you can change the upper side of the paper pickup ruler. So here you can see that it has been cut off, so we have to change it. So this is the first tray, and it also has the paper pickup roller. So how you can change this pickup roller, I will tell you again about both of them. I have already told you on the bottom side of the paper pickup roller. Now I will tell you the upper side paper pickup roller. So the problem is similar. Both paper pickup roller are not working. So how you can change it? Upper side paper pickup ruler, let's see. Here you can see the problem, and again I will give the command, and you will see that the paper will not pick up. Printing report demo page, but it is not picking the paper. So we have to change this paper pickup ruler. First of all, this problem has been occurred with upper tray, and recently the problem is same occurred in the second tray. So now we have to change both of the paper pickup ruler. So how you can change it? The upper side paper pickup roller. So you have to close the door, and you have to open by pressing this open door button. After here you will see the paper pickup roller. You have to bring out the toner from the printer, then you can change the paper pickup roller. Then you have to pull up the tray from the paper pickup roller. So let's change it. On both on left and right side, on the paper picker are the only two locks. So you have to open the lock from the left and right side. Here you will see the lock. You have to here you can see that, but you have to just open the lock from the left side, and similarly from the right side you have to open the lock. So from both sides you have to open the lock, and it will be easily open it. So here you can see that by just pressing the lock, now it is has been opened. So it is very easy to open the first number one tray paper pickup roller. So now you can change the rubber, or you can also change the paper pickup ruler. So it totally depends on you.